All singers must manage their airflow to sound good and to sing with ease. But a lot of singers know this but don't know how to apply it. Let's do 2 quick check-in exercises, and I'll give you 1 bonus tip. 35 years of training singers and voice teachers, and I practice what I preach. Okay, we're going to jump right into the exercises. So if you need more help, see my playlist on breath support, which I will give at the end. Now I want everyone to stand up. You can't work on breath support laying on your couch. Exercise 1. We're going to do a simple 5-tone descending scale, taking a quick breath between each note and then 1 breath, adding the 5th and back down like this. Here's what I don't want. No bobbing up and down, so not I know some of you are going to do that, so I have to tell you. And it's also not the opposite extreme of I never said locking was support. And then, listen, super important, when we get to the bottom, to negotiate the 5th and make sure that you don't collapse, we do another little gentle lean or resistance like this. Rather than that's what a lot of you do, and you can't sing collapsed like that. Lower voices can be down here. That's starting on G3. Higher voices G4. Here we go. Breathe. No cheating, please. So I don't want no, I want these detached, a breath between each note, okay? 2 more. Then smooth. 1 breath. 1 more. Breathe, breathe, breathe. 1 breath. Great. Remember, this is just your quick check-in exercise. You can come back later and do it throughout your whole range. Exercise 2. Now that you've gotten the hang of exercise 1, we're going to do it again, but all in 1 breath, like this. So this is going to take more air, and it's going to take more breath control. Here we go. Breathe. 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 Now you can do this exercise at different speeds. For example, you might do it faster. Or even faster yet. Now I love doing targeted exercises as the perfect setup before we sing a song. And if you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program, I don't know what you're waiting for. The program is huge. It comes in 4 different voice types. I give you a long and a short workout and literally hundreds of options depending upon what your vocal needs are. And we also have variable playback speeds. We have 2 sections on vowels. We have a section on breath support. We have a section on the vocal bridge or passaggio. You want to work on vocal colors, textures, how to sing in different styles? I give it all to you. The best part is it's super affordable, and I do regular group classes with members, and I can certainly help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Bonus tip. How much breath support you need depends upon what you're singing and the kind of sound that you want. If you want a firmer, more intense tone, then you need firmer breath support. If you want a lighter, floatier tone, then you need lighter breath support. But no matter what, breath support is always flexible, never tight or locked. Now I have tons of videos on this. To start, you can see my playlist on breath supports, the basics. And my super important video, breath support explained clearly and correctly. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.